Welcome for coming back of studying basic of Microsoft 3.3. So today I will continue the season of home. Home is the most important of Microsoft. Why I say like that? Because all fun or many functions of home are stay in home. It's especially like font tape and paragraph tape. So now I will introduce you or explain you about home. Why we use home in Microsoft Word. Home really important for working on Word. When we know about home, we also easy to make paragraph or you want to make very official document, you also use home. Now I will start from font tape. Here font tape, we just go home and then go to font tape. Font tape, font tape many types like font type, font type. That means we have to say have to change font style, size style. We also have to change style if we want to change like bigger from 8 until 72. We also can change bigger than 72 depend on we want. We also use here also if you don't want to change on that side, you just click and then we will see its font is different from here. Font size. Now I will show you how the font style works. If I say I am I am I am T T T P Candle. I am TP Candle. I live in Siem Reap. Oh, um, so when you want to make more style and more bigger, you just go to font. We doesn't see anything, but you can put the mouse on it and then you will see font. Or you just use a shortcut key with Control plus Shift and then plus F, and then you can see many font. So I just right click on it and then I just go on and then you see it. Yeah, it changed directly from Microsoft Word 2013, 2010 and 2007. They are changed directly. It's a 2003 that cannot show it. Okay, we see it and yes. you can scroll and you will see many fun. You want have some spread inside different. I use this font and I use this, and then I take it bigger bigger. You just this bigger and then this one smaller, 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 smaller. So small I cannot see, so I will take it too long, take time too long. You just go on it and then just put something. You just tie on it if one you want. Like I want 100 and then just enter and then you will see. You want to make bold, bold, that means really really big dark style. So I just click on it and then bold, you see it, and then different, okay, and then Italian, Italy, you will see Italy your tag, Italy your tag. I cannot because okay, it can. And then underline on it. Yes, that's all on this lesson. So I will continue how to use strict through uh, subscript uh, superscript. It is different if used for chemistry mathematics also. Next time also take effect type paragraph uh, highlight color clear formatting. So we'll see you next session.